So this is my new Bright Velocity Extreme. I've had it for, I think, about a year or two, maybe two. It's gotten to where it's kind of angry with me. Just listen to it. It's not exactly happy. That tiny motor is not exactly happy with New Bright at the moment, it seems. We can get up this hill. We try hard enough, we can get up this hill. That's a healthy sounding motor and gears. We can do it. Stupid stick. Oh, there you go. Gotta keep giving it a little push. You can do it. Come on, get up that hill. It's like a choo-choo. Choo-choo. Oh. Back to normal. Back to speed. Let's try going up that hill. The siren. That was really loud. Like, let's try stopping. That's good. Try one more time. Sounds very healthy. She's making it. She's dying. Come on, get up there. So obviously that's not going to work. Let's try getting up here. It's almost doing it. I might have to get a new one of these. Maybe. This is just slightly broken. Those are all turbo noises of extra horsepower.